A is for apple, red and round, crunchy and sweet, the best I've found. B is for ball, bounce it high, rolling and flying through the sky. C is for cat, soft and cute, purring and playing, oh what a hoot. V is for dog, big or small, wagging its tail come when I call. E is for elephant, big and gray, swinging its trunk every day. F is for fish, swimming so fast, blowing some bubbles as it goes past. G is for giraffe, tall and sweet, long, long neck and dancing feet. H is for hat, wear it on your head, blue or red, or even stripe instead. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, melts so fast in summer heat. J is for jelly, wobbly and bright, red and yellow, what a sight. K is for kite, flying so high, soaring and dancing up in the sky. L is for lion, king of the land, roaring so loud, strong and grand. M is for monkey, swinging in trees, laughing and climbing with so much ease. N is for nest, up in the tree, where baby birds love to be. O is for octopus, in the sea, 8 long arms, swimming with glee. P is for penguin, waddle and slide, marching along with friends by its side. Q is for queen, crown on her head, wearing a dress of gold and red. R is for rainbow, color so bright, shining above after rain at night. S is for snake, slithering low, hissing and sliding wherever it goes. T is for tiger, orange and black, roaring loud on the jungle track. U is for umbrella, when it rains, keeping you dry from all the stains. V is for van, driving down the street, honk, honk, wave as we meet. W is for whale, big and blue, swimming in the ocean, splashing too. X is for zum-a-vum, playing a tune, ding, ding, dong, morning or noon. Y is for yacht, sailing so fast, gliding through waves, having a blast. Z is for zebra, black and white, running through grass